Hello everyone. In our project, the first step is data extraction and transformation. In this data extraction and transformation, we need to select our data sources. We have selected 4 data sources as our data sources. One is cryptocurrency, 3 are cryptocurrencies, and one is stocks. Uh, I'm going to on my coming to my second part. It is connect data source to Excel. So I'm connecting these data sources to my Excel. Uh, In this, I'm going to data tab. From the external data, we need to select from web, and we need to insert the website URL. Here we can insert our URL and click on go. We need to import everything. Click on yes. After downloading, click on import. It will get updated in the sheet in A1 cell. It may take a while to load the data into this Excel sheet. Likewise, I have imported 4 websites into my Excel sheet. Now the task is to on my next thing is clean the data using Excel formulas. So I need to take the required data into this Excel sheet. So I need to write a formula like is equals to. So I need to select a data cell. So I need to find stocks for this DOW. So I am extracting like this. Likewise, I imported everything into this sheet. Now coming to my third task, data collection. In this, I need to append the new data for every 1 minute. Uh, we would append the data using this refresh all property. If I click on refresh all, the everything will be appended to the first row. It get updated like this. To update it like this, we will get this first row after refreshing. To get it for every 1 minute, we need to go to any sheet. We need to go to refresh all connection properties. We need to click for a refresh for every. We need to enter 1. Click OK. Uh, After 1 minute, it will get updated. Now it is 2:21. Let's see. It automatically getting refreshed without clicking anything, and it will append it to the first row. This is because we have written program in VBA script. As you have all seen, this is get appended to the first row, and the time is 2:22. 2:22 is appended to the first row. It will get for every 1 minute. It will get refreshed for every 1 minute. This is because we have written code in VB script. To get that VB script code, we need to press Alt F11. This is the VBA script to append to the last row. And coming to my next thing is to calculate the price change in 24 hours. Uh, in crypto prices, there is a column called change in 24 hours. This is the change in 24 hours percentage. I am calculating the what will be the value, what will be the change in the value in 24 hours. It is $1,471. That means if we subtract this, it will be the last price of before the 24 hours. It will be the price of Bitcoin before 24 hours. Coming to next task, calculate the min max of each company and append it. I'm writing VBA script for these max, min, and average functions. We have by default um, in worksheet function class we have min method, max method, and average method. By using this, I'm finding max, min, and average for Bitcoin, and I am appending to this and appending using this formula. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Coming to my part in the project, I need to visualize data in the web using JavaScript for the source code which has been shown previously. For that, I'm using VB-script code to convert from macro-enabled Excel file format to .csv format. So actually, this is the code I am using in macros, which has been written in the VB-script code. So coming to the second step, I'm extracting cleaned data file using Papa-Parse library. So Papa-Parse library is nothing but to extract the CSV formatted files. So after that, uh, I'm adding the Excel data to the respective arrays. I mean, I'm storing all the data in the arrays. Here I'm storing the Excel data to the arrays. Uh, and then using C3 library, I'm generating the line chart. I'm multi-line chart. Uh, by giving time in x-axis and all the cryptocurrencies and stocks in the y-axis. Here you can see all the cryptos in y-axis and time in x-axis. So to run this code, I'm using Python simple HTTP server command to execute in the local host 8000. So now I'm showing the demo. So actually here is the demo. So for the time 250, I'm displaying all the prices for stocks and cryptos. If you'd like to see for a particular crypto, then we can unselect all these things. Now I selected only Bitcoin, and here is the price for that, and the time is also displayed. So this page will be refreshed automatically for every 1 minute. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Visualization using Tableau. In this first step, we need to import the Excel data through the Microsoft Excel in the Tableau. So first, we need to import this Excel like this. And the second step is we need to drag your corresponding sheet to the dashboard. Then you get the data source. So this is our data source. Then you will see that data like this. The next step is create a parameter by right clicking the in the Tableau. So go to the sheet one and right click here and create a parameter, name as parameter according to your data like this. And the next step is change the allowable values from all to list uh, here. And the next step is we need to name the cryptocurrencies according to our display. So here like 1, 2, 3. I'm taking three values like Bitcoin, Cardano, and Litecoin. And then we need to click on OK, and here we need to display like this. Here we can do like this. And the next step is we need to create a calculated field by right clicking this the same way. So create a calculated field like c.crypto, and we need to write some code. Okay, we need to drag here crypto. When one, we need to display Bitcoin. When two, then we need to display Cardano. When three, then we need to display uh, the Litecoin, and, and click on apply and click OK. So the next step is insert time in the columns row and parameters in the rows. So here the time we can take time in the columns row. We can click on, we can expand like this. We can get day, month, hours, minutes, seconds. We need to get like For hours and minutes, we need to get hours and minutes. So and then I need to drag this into the filters and click on OK, and then like this. So change this to a line. These are Bitcoin rates according to the hours. So if we change like this is the Cardano values, and this is the Litecoin values. If we need to get the live data, and then we go to the Excel sheet and we need to save and back to the Tableau and go to the data source, and we need to click on refresh, and then the data will get updated, and here it will change the automatically like 242. Thank you.